346.
Get your number.
With a flip phone?
Yeah. Like, I want customer service. Oh, wait. Yeah, you got a boyfriend? You do? Mm-hmm. Got YouTube?
Huh?
Yeah, YouTube? Got YouTube?
Hey, YouTube?
Yeah, my shit not working in here.
What do you have there?
What, this one?
Yeah.
This is mine.
You like your real phone?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. What's your number? You joking? What?
For real?
Yes.
Oh.
Show me a picture of you tell them. Hey, you look good. Follow me on Instagram.
Okay. What's your Instagram?
DRII dot KEVO.
Dot what now?
Kevo. K first one.
Oh.
You got a boyfriend?
No.
You get your number?
With a flip phone?
Yeah. Like, I want customer service right now, so I get this phone activated. I just got out of jail like 2 weeks ago, and I don't understand it. I don't understand this new shit now.
Oh, no. I'll pass.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because I got a flip phone. I got an iPhone in my hand, though. Where you from? In the Put your mask on.
What?
Put your mask on.
Why?
You look good, see?
I'm cute. I'm not
You risky. How old you is?
How do I look?
How old you is?
How old do I look?
18.
I'm 21.
I'm from 21 too.
You what?
From 21 too.
Okay, what's up?
Got a number?
You can follow me on Instagram.
What's your number, though?
That's my number.
Yeah,
I don't get my number out to anybody. You can follow me on Instagram.
My phone trip right there, bro. Really?
You can follow me on Instagram.
How? Let me see what this motherfucker.
346.
Hey, fuck with YouTube channel, man. Back in cover, man. For the seat, man. Y'all tap in, drip it out cover on the ground, man.